Hi, it's Marilyn Baxter from Emerald Associates. I'd like to walk you through a little bit of the functionality available in Emerald's P6 to Excel loader. Now, this tool will allow you to automate the Primavera P6 update process. If you obtain some or all of your project updates in Excel format, you've already got the information in electronic format, you need a way of moving that information electronically over to your P6 schedule. That's where the P6 to Excel loader comes in. So if you ask yourself, can you easily load Excel-based project update information into P6? And you've perhaps answered no, Emerald can help. First thing we need to do, of course, is log into the software. You saw on the slide we had a login screen. Just a note that the security in this software package runs through P6 security, so there is not another set of security that you have to worry about setting up. That's the credentials you log in with, is P6 logins. Now, you'll notice that I've got quite a bit of information on this screen. Now, this radio button up in the left-hand corner, get update template, template. Now, in this particular case, this would give us a template that allows us access to all the different pieces of information that the P6 loader can load back to P6. Now, we're just looking at updating a project, so we would get the template through the extract function. Now, in extract, I can pull pieces of information that I need to update versus all of the information. So if I wanted, for example, the activity information for a specific project, so I just click the list of projects, and your list of projects is not necessarily going to be as long as this. This just happens to be the case right now for this, but you can definitely approach what you want to show and what you don't want to show. So you choose the file you want to create the template for. Now you'll notice I've got a submit, which is what I'm going to select to ask the software to generate that. Now you'll notice it goes into running and runs the update sheet or template that I would need to make my entries into, or use a macro to get the information into. Tells me it's writing the sheet. It's finished. I can download the Excel sheet. I can also look at details of how it was created, and also I can remove these files from this list if I feel that my list is getting unbearably long. So I already have a copy of that template sitting in Excel. So if I look at what template came out of the P6 loader, this is the template. Now, in behind, of course, I've got the copy of updates I've gotten, for example, from your own folks at site, folks out in the field, subcontractors, whoever's giving you updates. Now, if they send it to you in electronic format, you can definitely create yourself a macro that's going to look up the activity IDs and match them up with the activity IDs that you've got in the template and impart the right updates to your template. So this does not have to be a manual process. Now you'll notice I've put the information for the first couple into the template. So we've only done a small update just to show you how this works. So from here, all I need to do is go back. I'm just going to minimize this. Go back to the P6 loader and tell the P6 loader what am I sending back to P6. So I'm going to browse here, and what I want to do is I want to send the updates, which happen to be this Excel sheet at the top, back to P6. So you choose your file and ask it to upload it. Now, once it starts running, you can see it's in running, and you can do the refresh again so you can see what's going on. It's already run across. So once I refresh my project, and you can see that I've got the updates from the information that I gave it through my Excel update sheet back into my project. So at this point, I would just reschedule it if those were all the updates that I needed to put in.